Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here and I have my dog Honey and we're going to do our morning meeting where we talk about the date and the weather. And we definitely need to talk about the weather because we're about to take a walk and we need to know how to dress. So when we look at our calendar, we see that the month is April. Can you say April? And today is the 13th. Touch 13. I'm going to write today so that we know today is Monday, April 13th. If today is Monday, then yesterday was Sunday. Can you say Sunday? And if today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Do you know your days of the week song? There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week. Can you sing that on your own? Today is Monday, April 13th. Let's take a look at the weather. I see the weather for Lawrence, Kansas on Monday. I see that right now it's 32 degrees and I see the sun is out. Let's come over to our temperature guide and find where 32 is. 32 would be in between 30 and 40. That puts us in the green zone, which means it's cool outside. I see wind. I see that this kid is wearing a hat. It's cool outside. It's 32 degrees. So if I'm going on a walk with my dogs, do you think I should wear a hat? Yes or no? I think yes. I think that it's cool enough that I'm going to need to wear a hat to stay warm. Can we look at the weather for the rest of the day? It starts at 32 and it's going to go up, 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 up to 46 and 47. When we go to our temperature guide, we know that 46 is in between 40 and 50. So today it's going to stay in the cool zone, the green zone. And now that we talked about the weather and I know to wear my hat because it's going to be cool, and we talked about what today is, yesterday and tomorrow, it's time for me to go on a walk with these dogs. What are you going to do to get some exercise today? I'll see you tomorrow.